Hello and welcome to the Capability Advisor web assessment tool. This is part 5 of covering the Assessor panel, and today we're going to look at the Reporting Assessor functionality. The Reporting Assessor is a type of account that lets you centralize data while also not allowing anyone to log into it to see other assessments than they are supposed to. Since you can copy over from your proper account, like myself, I can copy over some of my data to the report assessor. My colleagues can do the same, my co-assessors. And then we have centralized, consolidated ratings and notes and generate the word export from there. So let's look at how this would work. I covered the consolidation before in part 1, and as you can see, I can copy over with this little arrow button my notes, like the notes from my co-assessor. They have put down the same here, and they found the same weakness, and also I have more weaknesses than they have. They found some strengths that I didn't, and now we have consolidated everything. We changed some way of phrasing. Perfect. So everything is fine. We can check in the consolidation view. The report assessor has no rating, no comments, and we now have in the demo assessor account, we have the consolidated rating and note for project management BP1. So now what we can do is we go to rating and copy to reporter assessor. Click on this, we get a little window, little dialog, and we select project management, we click copy, it says finished. Now, if we go back to the consolidation view, we can see, now both the rating as well as the notes have been copied over to the reporter assessor for BP2, for BP3, and so on and so forth. If there was something, it would have been copied over. Once we have consolidated this, and as a side note, this is very useful because we can, in this way, we can consolidate different units or different processes separately from each other. So I could consolidate project management, my co-assessor can consolidate software requirements analysis, etc. And then we all can copy our consolidated notes and ratings over to the report assessor. Of course, we work on this together. And on the report assessor now we have centralized everything and we can export it. Exporting works similarly to how I've shown it in the exports video. We open up our Word report window, and instead of myself, the demo assessor, I will deselect myself. I will select report assessor. Again, use the organization template. I click export, and now this is generated from the report assessor instead of myself, but the contents are the same. It's the same notes, the same ratings, everything is the same, except for when we consolidate more processes, everything will be centralized on the report assessor, and it's easier to generate a proper report from the tool without going to Word to edit stuff. Yeah, that covers the report assessor. Very easy to use. Highly recommend using it. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.